The APB-112 IWD USB is a member of our DANTE-enabled family of active press boxes. The fixed installation in-wall unit provides both XLR and USB-C outputs. It is active and has a one-channel DANTE input. The unit is powered via PoE, so you need only one cable for both signal and power. There are 4 USB-C outputs as well as 8 switchable XLR mic line outputs, which are balanced and individually transformer isolated. With USB-C outputs, you can now easily connect your smartphone, tablet or laptop and record/stream the press conference with just the USB-C to USB-C cable. The package also contains the SCAME flush mounting box. Should you need more DANTE channels or outputs, you can simply add additional units and either use them on the same channel or use them separately for more channels. All can be easily set up via DANTE controller. For more information, please visit our website AudioPressBox.com. Thank you.